one day at a time. Nakaka-overwhelm minsan ang buhay, ano? Pag inisip mo yung future mo, parang nakakatakot din. Instead na ma-excite ka sa future, parang napipressure ka. Kaya ko bang i-meet ang mga expectations ng mga tao? Maaabot ko ba yung mga goals ko? Magiging maayos ba ang buhay ko? Masusuportahan ko ba yung mga mahal ko sa buhay? At parang pag tinignan natin yung buhay natin ngayon, parang dami pang dapat gawin. Ang layo pa ng ating tatahakin. Pero maybe you're overthinking. Maybe we have to simplify our approach. While we plan for the long term, we have to take on life one day at a time. Kasi pag masyado mong inisip yung nakaraan mo, at siguro mga palpak ng past, baka ma-depress ka. At pag masyado mo namang inisip yung future, ay baka magka-anxiety ka. While it's good to learn from the past and plan for the future, you have to live for today. Ano ba ang magagawa mo for today? Are you doing your best with the 24 hours that God has given you? Kaya bukas simulan mo. Value the gift of 24 hours. Solve what you can solve and give what you can give. Huwag nating sayangin. And you know what? If you do your best today, your tomorrow will be blessed.